he kept saying, Casey, Casey. He's like, you okay, you okay? And I remember he told me that I had been shot.
Former DPS trooper James Casey testifying against the man accused of shooting him during a traffic stop 5 years ago.
The testimony wrapped up today, and on Monday, jurors will hear closing arguments in the Ramon Bueno trial.
ABC 15's Angie Cayley explains what the defense is leaning on to sway the jury.
I was making a mental note not to touch my face because I was afraid if I put my hands in my face, I'd feel a gaping hole and I would go into shock and die.
Gut-wrenching testimony from a former DPS trooper blindsided by a bullet as he was taking information from a passenger during a traffic stop. Colleagues rushing to his side to save his life.
I remember him straddling me, and I remember I was looking up at him, and he kept saying, Casey, Casey. He's like, you okay, you okay?
Ramon Bueno is on trial for the October 8, 2014 shooting off of I-17 near McDowell Road. The vehicle Bueno was in pulled over for heavily tinted windows.
I remember I was just staring at the ground, and I was just putting people's heads, their pictures in my head. I was thinking of my wife, and I was saying her name, my mom, and I was saying, Mom. I'd see a picture of my dad, I'd say, Dad. I was like, if I go down and go out, I'm dead. I will never wake up.
Bueno and an accomplice arrested in West Phoenix after a week-long manhunt. During cross-examination, Bueno's attorney pointed out that Casey picked out a different man in a lineup, but the defense did not call any witnesses. Jurors will come back on Monday for closing arguments. In Phoenix, Angie Cayley, ABC 15, Arizona.